In today's video, we delve into an exciting and environmentally conscious project, building a gaming PC using e-waste. As technology advances at a rapid pace, countless electronic devices are discarded, contributing to a growing e-waste crisis. Our purpose here is to explore how we can recycle these discarded electronics to create a fully functional gaming PC, showcasing the potential of repurposing what many consider junk. Environmental sustainability is crucial in the tech industry, as the production and disposal of electronic devices significantly impact our planet. By utilizing e-waste, we not only reduce landfill contributions but also promote a culture of recycling and innovation. This project serves as a reminder that we can turn what is often seen as waste into something valuable and functional. Join us on this unique challenge as we sift through discarded components, uncover hidden treasures, and piece together a gaming PC that not only performs well but also tells a story of sustainability. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or a curious tech enthusiast, this journey will inspire you to rethink how we view e-waste and its potential in the world of gaming. Step 1. Gathering e-waste components. The first step in our journey to build a gaming PC from e-waste is gathering the necessary components. Start by identifying potential sources of e-waste, such as old computers, laptops, and various peripherals like keyboards, mice, and monitors. These devices often contain valuable parts that can be repurposed for our project. Next, we need to list the essential components required for a functional gaming PC. Key items include motherboards, CPUs, RAM, and power supplies. Each of these components plays a crucial role in ensuring that our gaming rig operates smoothly. When searching through e-waste, keep an eye out for these parts, as they are fundamental to building a capable system. Safety is paramount when handling e-waste. Always wear gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges and potentially hazardous materials. Additionally, use appropriate tools to disassemble devices carefully, minimizing the risk of injury. By following these safety precautions, you can ensure a smooth and secure process as you gather the components needed for your gaming PC. With the right parts in hand, we're one step closer to creating a sustainable gaming experience. Step 2. Assessing component functionality. Once you have gathered your e-waste components, the next crucial step is assessing their functionality. Begin by testing each component using a multimeter. This handy tool allows you to check the voltage and continuity of various parts, ensuring they are in working condition. Pay close attention to power supplies, as they are vital for your gaming PC's performance. Next, it's essential to research the compatibility between the components, particularly the CPU and motherboard. Each motherboard has specific requirements regarding the type of CPU it can support, including socket type and chipset compatibility. Make sure to cross-reference specifications to avoid any mismatches that could hinder your build. As you assess each part, document any damaged components that cannot be reused. This step is important for keeping track of what can be salvaged and what needs to be replaced. By maintaining a clear record, you can streamline your build process and make informed decisions about sourcing any additional parts. With a thorough assessment of functionality and compatibility, you'll be well prepared to move forward in creating your gaming PC from e-waste, ensuring a successful and efficient build. Step 3. Cleaning and preparing components. With your components assessed for functionality, the next step is to clean and prepare them for assembly. Start by using isopropyl alcohol and soft brushes to clean circuit boards and connectors. This process helps remove grime and residue that can interfere with electrical connections, ensuring optimal performance. Be gentle while cleaning to avoid damaging any delicate components. Next, focus on removing dust and debris from fans and heatsinks. Accumulated dust can hinder airflow and cooling efficiency, which is crucial for maintaining the performance of your gaming PC. Use compressed air or a soft cloth to carefully clean these areas, ensuring that all vents are clear and unobstructed. While cleaning, take the time to inspect each component for signs of corrosion or damage. Corrosion can significantly affect performance and may lead to failures down the line. If you notice any damaged parts, document them for future reference. By thoroughly cleaning and preparing your components, you set the stage for a successful build. This attention to detail not only enhances the longevity of your gaming PC but also contributes to a smoother and more enjoyable gaming experience. Step 4. Assembling the gaming PC. Now that your components are clean and ready, it's time to assemble your gaming PC. Begin by following a step-by-step guide to install the motherboard, CPU, and RAM. Start by securing the motherboard into the case using standoffs, ensuring it is firmly in place. Next, carefully insert the CPU into its socket, aligning it properly to avoid any damage. Once the CPU is in place, attach the RAM sticks into the designated slots, ensuring they click securely. After the core components are installed, it's time to connect the power supplies. Route the cables neatly to avoid clutter and ensure proper airflow within the case. Connect the main power cable to the motherboard, along with any additional power connectors required for the CPU and graphics card. Make sure to connect all necessary peripherals, such as hard drives and fans, to their respective power sources. Before powering on the system, double-check all connections. Ensure that every cable is securely attached and that there are no loose ends. This step is crucial to prevent any issues during startup. With everything in place, you're ready to power on your gaming PC and embark on an exciting gaming adventure. Step 5. Installing the operating system and drivers. With your gaming PC assembled, the next step is to install the operating system and drivers. Choosing a lightweight operating system is crucial for optimal gaming performance. Consider options like Linux or a streamlined version of Windows, which can provide a smooth experience without consuming excessive resources. Download the OS installation file and create a bootable USB drive to facilitate the installation process. Once the operating system is installed, it's time to download the necessary drivers for your hardware components. Drivers are essential for ensuring that your motherboard, graphics card, and other peripherals function correctly. Visit the manufacturer's websites to find the latest drivers tailored to your specific components. Installing these drivers will enhance compatibility and performance, allowing your gaming PC to run smoothly. After installing the drivers, ensure that your system is updated. Check for any available updates for the operating system and installed drivers, as these updates often include important performance enhancements and security patches. Keeping your system up to date is vital for maintaining optimal performance and stability. With the operating system and drivers in place, your gaming PC is now ready for action, paving the way for an exciting gaming experience. Step 6. Testing and optimizing performance. Now that your gaming PC is fully set up, it's time to test and optimize its performance. Start by running benchmark tests to evaluate how well your system handles gaming tasks. Popular benchmarking software can simulate various gaming scenarios, providing valuable insights into frame rates, graphics quality, and overall performance. This data will help you understand how your PC stacks up and where improvements can be made. Once you have the benchmark results, adjust the settings for optimal graphics and frame rates. Depending on the capabilities of your components, you may need to tweak in-game settings such as resolution, texture quality, and anti-aliasing. Finding the right balance between visual fidelity and performance is key to an enjoyable gaming experience. Additionally, monitor temperatures and performance during gameplay to ensure stability. Use software tools to keep an eye on CPU and GPU temperatures, as overheating can lead to throttling or crashes. If temperatures are too high, consider improving airflow in your case or adjusting fan speeds. By thoroughly testing and optimizing your gaming PC, you can ensure it runs smoothly and efficiently, allowing you to fully enjoy your gaming adventures without interruptions. In this video, we've taken you through the exciting journey of building a gaming PC from e-waste. We started by gathering components from discarded electronics, then assessed their functionality and cleaned them for optimal performance. After assembling the PC, we installed a lightweight operating system and necessary drivers, followed by testing and optimizing the system for the best gaming experience. Each step highlighted the potential of repurposing e-waste, transforming what many consider trash into a functional gaming rig. This process not only showcases your creativity and technical skills but also emphasizes the importance of recycling and sustainability in the tech industry. By choosing to build with e-waste, you contribute to reducing electronic waste and promoting a more sustainable future. If you enjoyed this journey and found it informative, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow tech enthusiasts and gamers. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content that inspires others to explore the world of DIY tech projects. Thank you for joining us, and happy gaming.